Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Glam by Safi. Today I'll be showing you how to apply press on nails which I recently bought from Daraz. If you are looking for a quick and easy way to get beautiful nails, this tutorial is for you. I have nails, small buffer, nail sticker, cuticle and nail polish remover. First make sure your natural nails are clean and dry. Remove any old polish and wash your hands thoroughly. Gentle push back your cuticle using a cuticle pusher. If you want to remove the cuticle, then as per your choice. I had already done this earlier. This is just to show in the video that you need to using the cuticle variant is optional for you. Repeat the process for the remaining nails. Buff your nails lightly to remove any shine, which helps the press on nails adhere better. When you buff your nails, it ensures that your nails are free from any oil. Wipe your nails with a nail polish remover or alcoholic pad to ensure they are completely clean. This step is crucial for achieving a smooth and long lasting finish. If your press on nails come with adhesive tabs, peel off the packing and stick the tabs onto your natural nails. For a more secure application, you can also use nail glue. Apply a small amount of glue to the back of the press on nail. Take out the press on nails and compare each one to your natural nails. Choose the press on nail that fit best for each finger. They should cover your nail entirely without overlapping onto your skin. Carefully align the press on nail with your natural nail. Press down freely from the center or to the edges to ensure a smooth and secure fit. Hold the press on nail in place for about 10 to 15 seconds to make sure it sticks properly. Repeat the process for remaining nails. Once all the press on nails are applied, avoid getting your hands wet for at least an hour to allow the adhesive to fully set. That's it, you have now got gorgeous ready to go press on nails. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more beauty tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching.